Something outran the stars over Mars. October 2025. A streak of light cut across the Martian sky. Faster than anything the red planet had ever seen. 60 kilometers per second. Silent. Precise. Deliberate. For a few seconds, Perseverance's night cameras caught it, a thin, shimmering streak slicing through the cold horizon. Then, blackout. Every orbiter lost signal simultaneously. Mars went silent, as if holding its breath. When contact returned, the skies had changed. Above Olympus Mons, a strange spiral cloud shimmered faintly. Not dust. Not ice. The pattern was too deliberate, almost alive. It moved in perfect synchronization, rotating and pulsing with a rhythm no natural object could produce. Scientists named it the Atlas phenomenon. 3 rotating eyes of light circled one another in flawless symmetry. Each pulse released arcs of ionized dust, connecting the orbs like invisible filaments of electricity. The glow was faint green, but in infrared it blazed red-hot, throbbing to a rhythm that matched radio signals mysteriously captured by Martian orbiters. No origin. No debris. No impact. Only motion. And a hum, low, mechanical, deliberate, bleeding through every receiver tuned to the skies. Weeks passed. The formation began to drift outward. Slowly. Deliberately. The 3 lights aligned themselves with the plane of the ecliptic, forming a perfect line between Mars, the Sun, and their own path. The precision was impossible. Each pulse, each flash, each movement suggested intelligence. Then, as suddenly as it appeared, the phenomenon vanished. No trace in orbit. No reflection. No debris. Only a single mark left on Mars's surface. A symbol carved into the regolith, a perfect eye, staring upward at the heavens. Humanity stared. And for the first time, the red planet felt alive. It was no longer simply a world to observe. It was a world that was observing back. James Webb, Hubble, and ground-based telescopes all confirmed it. An interstellar visitor had passed through, leaving patterns in space, in light, and in radio frequencies. Every measurement, every flash, every pulse seemed designed to communicate. Was it a warning? A message? Or simply a test? The hum continued for days after the object vanished. Atomic clocks, satellite systems, and high-altitude sensors all picked up the same faint rhythm. The pulse repeated every 24 seconds, as if the planet itself had become a receiver for something far older, far smarter, and far beyond comprehension. The world waited. Every eye in the sky turned to Mars. Every ear in the electromagnetic spectrum strained to hear. And somewhere, just beyond reach, 3i Atlas had left a message. A memory. A signal that had always been there, waiting for humanity to finally look up. The question remained, was 3i Atlas a wandering comet? A fragment of an alien intelligence? Or the universe itself, finally answering a question we had never been meant to ask? And humanity realized one terrifying truth: the signal never left. It had been here all along. Waiting.